crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about abbreviation SLST, or sometimes you can see SS, which I don't like due to knowledge of history. Anyway, it stands for slip stitch, and it is used when you're connecting rounds, when you're crocheting in the rounds, or it can be used as a standalone stitch. So I've got this tiny swatch of slip stitches made through the back loop, which make it look like knitting. Through the front loop, it'll look like pearls. Through the back, it looks like knit stitches. Anyway, it is one of the shortest stitches that are out there. And when you're making anything that is like a panel, like a flat panel, you don't have a T-chain or a step-up chain to bring it up. You crochet right into the stitch that you came from. However, I don't like that method because I find the edges for me are just not tidy enough. It looks weird. So what I like to do is crochet one and then pull that pretty tight so that the chain stitch is very small, and then I go ahead and do the slip stitches. So let's do this swatch first to show how the slip stitches are made. So I'm going, as you can see, there's V's, front loop, back loop. Typically you knit through, or you crochet through both, but this particular swatch we're crocheting through the back. So into the back loop, pull up a loop. You've got two. Go ahead and pull that loop through the first loop on your hook. So let's do that again. Into the back stitch, pull up a loop, and through that first loop on your hook. So that is how you would create fabric with slip stitches. Now, when you're joining in the round, so I've got this swatch here, and I've come to a point where I have to join the round from the beginning to the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my hook into that first stitch, pull up a loop, hi Leela, pull up a loop, and through that first loop. And to get to this empty space here, well, I will start a new row. I'm gonna go ahead and create another slip stitch so that it's seamless going into there. So there you go, SLST slip stitch.